Going premium with LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a great platform for business, no doubt about that. You can use it to maximize your chances of succeeding in your career, or to find prospective clients, or to find funding for that awesome new business project of yours, one that you are sure will make headlines someday soon. Everything that we just said is not praise that comes out of thin air, because you already saw that you can achieve all of that stuff by simply creating a LinkedIn account and doing your homework. But can you improve on that? Yeah, you totally can by going premium, which you can do by clicking on the Try Premium for Free link on your dashboard menu. Now, when you go premium, you will be able to access LinkedIn features the same way that you would be able to on your normal non-premium account, but with each one of them turned up to 11 and on turbo mode. As you can see here, you can select a different plan depending on what's your goal. The career plan, for example, will allow you to get hired and get ahead by getting in touch with hiring managers to see how you compare to other members and learn new skills to advance in your career. This plan is mostly for people looking to grow professionally on the platform. But we've established by now that your goal is to grow your business, and there is also a set of plans to help you along the way with that specifically. The business plan, for instance, is designed to help you grow and nurture your network by finding the right people, promoting your business, and learning new skills to enhance your business brand. You can select the premium plan on a free trial for a period of a month. And in the case of the business plan, it's going to be $47.99 a month after your free trial period expires. Features included with your business premium plan include 15 in-mail messages, business insights, online video courses, the ability to see who has viewed your profile, unlimited profile browsing, and career insights. The sales plan, on the other hand, is designed to help you unlock sales opportunities, finding leads and accounts in your target market, getting real-time insights for warm outreach, and to build closer business relationships based on trust with customers and prospects. It is $64.99 a month after your free trial, and its features include 20 in-mail messages, sales insights, advanced search with the Lead Builder tool, and lead recommendations, as well as saved leads, alongside the features offered by the business plan. Lastly, the hiring plan is designed to help you find and hire talent and great job candidates for your organization faster. With this plan, you will be able to contact top talent directly and build great relationships with prospective hires. The hiring plan is $99.50 a month after the trial expires and includes features such as 30 in-mail messages, advanced search functions, smart suggestions, integrated hiring, automatic candidate tracking and recruiting specific design, alongside the features offered by the sales plan. Once you have decided which premium plan best suits your needs, simply click on the Start My Free Month and try it out.